Don't you let a minute slip, just say you have me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie, and yeah, today's video we're gonna be doing an unboxing. I'm gonna be unboxing my iPad. It is the 64GB, the yellow one, and it's only for Wi-Fi. And yeah, so hold on, because y'all not thinking my information. So we just gonna look into this. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to picture down so y'all can see me open it. Okay, so this is it.
On Amazon Music.
So this is the. I really wish I had a case though, but this is the little thing that comes with it. So just the iPad thingy. I'm gonna actually erase that. This little thing and the stickers. And that's it. Okay. Then it came with a charger, but yeah, that's not the regular charger. It's a C-type charger. So it came with a charger. And yeah, and then the C-type charger base block. And that's everything that came with that. So this is it. It's compared to my face, it's kind of big, but this is it. This is the back. It's not really like a yellow color because I could be tripping. Yeah, it's like it's oh, this is cute. It's yellow and they just say iPad on the bottom. Here you go. So yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all why I got this iPad first, so I can edit, because I be editing on my phone and I'm almost out of storage. What is this? Hello English, United States, large. Set up with hold on, let me put the Wi-Fi in.